Hi there, and welcome to Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English. I'm Bafo. Today we're going to look at words used for emphasis in Nigerian Pidgin English. These words are used at the end of sentences to emphasize a lot or excess of something. If used with an adjective, they mean extreme adjectives, like the word tired for exhausted. They could be used like the phrase like crazy in English. The first one we'll look at is anyhow. Example, I like that girl anyhow. I like that girl a lot. I don't tire anyhow. I am exhausted. Pieces. My oga wicked pieces. My boss is very wicked. I enjoy the party pieces. I enjoyed the party a lot. Die. I called you die yesterday. I called you like crazy yesterday. Lara sleep die this morning. Lara slept a lot this morning. Scatter. I like your choice of music, scatter. I like your choice of music like crazy. The words anyhow, pieces, die, and scatter are all used in the same way as they can all be used in response to a question. Example, you dey enjoy the party? Are you enjoying the party? You can just respond with this word, anyhow, pieces, scatter, die. Well, a lot. It dey rain well. It's raining a lot. I chop well for the party. I ate a lot at the party. Oh, this word oh is used at the end of sentences just to simplify emphasis. I dey greet oh. I'm saying hi. Make we dey go. Let's go. The last one to look at is abeg, which is please. But we have the way we use it in Nigerian Pidgin English to lay emphasis. For example, you can tell somebody, I beg, leave me alone. It's like, please leave me alone. Or you can just hit it on a word like severally. You can say, I beg, which is please. I beg, leave me alone. That is, please leave me alone. So guys, these are some words that you can use for emphasis in Nigerian Pidgin English. Should you have any questions, please feel free to send me your questions at the comments below, and I'll be glad to respond to them. Thank you very much for watching. Be safe. Bye for now.